Good evening. I'm coming to you from Portland, Maine. I'm here at the Hampton Inn Portland West. That's exactly what this one is called. We're gonna go get checked in for the night. Yes, it's raining still here in Maine and in New England. A lot of rain on this vacation, but that's okay. We're making the best of it. All right, I'm gonna go inside and get checked in. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
So this hotel is really like new looking, I guess, in a way. It's got a place for bike racks here, and then it's got a nice drop-off spot, so you don't have to drop somebody off in the rain, which is exactly what I did. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. I'm not sure. All right, so here there's meeting rooms. What else we got? Another meeting room. That one says vacant. What else do we have over here? Okay, we got little seating areas here, which that's kind of cool. Little private seating areas there, and here as well. That's really neat. Huh. Alright, so then around the corner from that, we have extra restrooms here, which are good. They're not the cleanest though, I'm not gonna lie. And this is our breakfast area here. Breakfast, it says, is from 6 to 10 in the morning, which is great. Front desk over there. Nice big lobby. Nice big area. Huh, that's pretty neat. Now I'm back over here to the seating area where I started earlier. So this is what the fitness center looks like here. It's open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. They've got bowls, a TV, a mirror. They've got 2 treadmills, a stationary bike, a stair stepper, another stationary type bike over there in the corner. They've got a bench for weights. They've got free weights over here. They've got a place to get towels, sanitizer. So that's good. They try to keep it clean. They've got this machine over there. And then also we've got the pool, which is hard to show you because there's kids in there. So I'm trying not to show you. The pool is open. The pool is through there. I don't know how well you guys can see it. I'm not going any closer because there's a bunch of little kids in there. The pool is open until I think 9 or 10 o'clock at night as well. Okay, so here's the guest laundry. Laundry supplies available at the front desk. I like that it tells you 30 minutes for the washer, 30 minutes for the dryer. And it looks like it's $3 each. So it'd be $6 for a load of laundry. That's a little steep. It's not the highest we've seen on this trip, sadly, but do not leave your stuff in the time more than 15 minutes past. In other words, stay with your laundry or at least come back and get it. Don't just leave it, especially since they only have 1 dryer, 1 washer. You don't want to keep people waiting. So laundry room's on the 2nd level, 2nd floor, all the way at the end of the building. And that's where the elevator was. See how it's kind of around the corner? It's in a weird location. It's in kind of a weird spot. And one thing I noticed too is this hotel doesn't have any vending machines. It looks like it's strictly there's ice in all the little alcoves next to the elevator. We're heading up to our room on the 4th floor. Here's where the ice is at. Getting off the elevator. All right. We got a clock. All right, let's see what we got here. We got bathroom, soaps, conditioners. I'm guessing there's not in the shower. No, there's not. Okay. Shower in here, toilet, sink, plenty of towels over there. Nice little spot. We hung up our jackets because it was raining all day. Got a nice thermostat here. Hopefully it works well. You can see we already kind of put our suitcases up here. Somebody's already watching TV. Minnie. Minnie's here again. Somebody's already settled in over here. Got the computer up, attached to the TV. We always do that. We travel with the HDMI cable, so that way we can plug our laptop in, use the Wi-Fi, and then watch our streaming services. Got our cooler up here. Got my stuff set up. I've got my suitcase, which is our third one, over here by the wall. Nice little table area in between the two beds. I like that the headboards are lighthouses. That's pretty cool. So here's our view. You can see over here to the left, the building over here to the left, how this Hampton Inn's kind of curved. It looks like we're looking down at the roof, maybe of the pool area. I'm not sure, because they do have a heated indoor pool here. The second floor, right there where my finger's at, that's the guest laundry. And then you can see our view looking down this way. It looks like this was like a quarry or something that was dug out and filled up with water. It reminds me of like the ones I've seen in Ohio when I used to live there. And then over this way, there's something called Cowbell. I don't know what in the world that is. And then there's something behind it. I can't read what it says. I'm not sure. I don't know if what that building is back there. Well, that's our view from here. We can see a smokestack in the distance way over there. Way over there. Down here we have a microwave. Underneath the TV we have a microwave. Coffee. I moved the ice bucket down there just to get it out of the way. Then here we have a mini fridge. When we checked in, the mini fridge was off. I turned it on I put it on setting 5. It's not very cold yet. Hopefully it'll cool down because we do have some drinks and stuff in there. One thing I did want to show is that this desk, this chair, is disgusting. I always sit in the chair. Look at all these stains. Look at that. That's nasty. They need to either get this professionally cleaned or get a new chair. This is gross. So we put a bath towel over it because this is where I always sit at when I'm working on uploading stuff to YouTube and whatnot and getting our trip preparations done for the next day. So that's kind of gross. The beds looked like they were pretty clean. The bathroom had a hair or two on the vanity. Probably came off the cleaning person, I'm guessing. But other than that, the room looks good so far, and the hotel, like the lobby and everything, looks pretty decent. Good morning. We're ramping up our stay here at the Portland West Hampton Inn. 3 things I wanted to mention before I sign off on this video. The breakfast, the food was good, but a couple complaints I had was the trash cans in the breakfast area. And to be honest, everywhere around the hotel I looked where there was a trash can, they were all overflowing. I guess nobody changes the trash here, or at least not very often. Another thing in the breakfast area was the tables. When we got down there, we didn't come down super late, like 9 o'clock. Still an hour to go on breakfast. All the tables were dirty. So I had to get some water and clean off the tables. The guy that was like working the breakfast area had an earpiece in his ear, and the whole entire time we sat down there, getting our food, eating our food, cleaning up, throwing our garbage away, the whole time he was on a conversation with somebody on the phone. So he must have been a Bluetooth. He was talking to somebody the entire time and wasn't really doing much. He didn't restock anything. He didn't change the garbage. He didn't clean the tables. He was just walking around and talking on the phone. It's not great. It's not a good look, Hilton. It's not a good look. One thing that we thought was weird was this morning we felt trembling. We're on the 4th floor. We were up there on the 4th floor, and we felt the floor shaking, like for a good solid probably 90 seconds or so, 60 to 90 seconds, several times this morning. At first we were like, is this a small earthquake? And we don't know if it was the elevator, when the elevator was moving, but it was like a little one was on the bed. I was in the shower, and I was like, oh my god, is the floor moving? Like, what the hell's going on? So I don't know what that was about. I don't know if that's maybe when the elevator goes up and down, if we were too close to the elevator, because our room was just around the corner from the elevator, so I think our back of our room might have backed up into that. I don't know. One other thing that we noticed was you can hear everything in this hotel. The walls, you know, when you hear sometimes about hotels that the walls are thin as paper, this one I could literally hear the people next door to me putting their blinds up, putting their blinds down. I could hear them moving the chair in the room. Could hear people talking at one point. They went down to use the pool, and by the way, they love the pool. I didn't show the pool at all because every time I went down to look, there were kids there, non-stop kids there. There's kids there this morning too, several of them. So obviously I'm not going to film in the pool area and look like a weirdo, but they went down and enjoyed the pool last night, and it was heated, it was clean, it had just been freshly drained and cleaned like the day before we got here, so it was in excellent condition. They love the pool. But when they went down to do the pool, I got up, used the bathroom, came back, and I heard talking. I thought they were back in the room. I come out of the bathroom and I look, and there's nobody there, so I had them coming from either the hallway or the room next door on the other side. So yeah, we sleep with a fan, so luckily it didn't bother us at all at nighttime. We sleep with a fan, one of these little small like Honeywell fans you can buy from from like Target or Walmart, and they're pretty noisy. So we are able to, with the sound, you know, you can basically sleep through just about anything, which is the main reason why we do it. That and airflow in the room. But yeah, overall the hotel itself was decent. You know, it was the room wasn't the cleanest, as you saw in the beginning. That chair was disgusting. The service, checking in, checking out, checking in was Barbara. Barbara was excellent. Loved Barbara. She was so kind, so sweet. Checking out this morning, the lady didn't really say anything. She didn't ask me how the stay was. She just took my room key out of my hand and asked me what room number. I said 412, and she typed on the computer for 60 seconds and then said, all set. The people that were here this morning were definitely not as friendly as the people who were working last night. If you like our hotel room videos, hit that like button down below. You can tell I'm kind of chilly out here. It's cold this morning. It's not raining, thank God, like it was when we checked in, but it's all overcast and it looks like it may rain again today, but it's cold. All right, leave me a comment down below. You ever been to Maine before? You ever been through Portland, Maine? I'd love to hear from you. Leave it in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. Let's keep this channel going and growing. Safe travels. We'll see you down the road. See you soon.